Hello everyone, my name is Bhavesh Chakor. Today's date is 27th August. This is the original video. The topic of this video is operators in Java. First of all, operators are a symbol which are used to do some operations. These operations are performed according to user's requirement, and these operations are performed on values or a variable. So operators are divided into five types, and we will see it one by one. First type is arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are used to perform simple mathematical operations like addition, multiplication, subtraction, division, modulus, increment or decrement. In addition, the plus symbol. In subtraction, the minus symbol. Then asterisk, percentage symbol, divide symbol. These all are known as operators. Then next type is a relational operators. So relational operators are also known as a comparison operators. Relational operators are used to check a relation between a two variable. For example, less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, not equal to. Let's understand it by one example. Suppose we have two numbers, 5 and 10, which are stored in a variable a and b, and we have to display which variable is greater. Then we will use this relational operator. In if block, we will write if a is equal to a, so if a is greater than b, then show a. If b is greater than a, then show b. So like this we can use this operator. Then next type is a bitwise. So as the name suggests, bitwise operator works on a bit. It performs bit by bit operation. For example, bitwise and, bitwise or, bitwise not, left shift, right shift. Let's understand it by a simple example. If we have two variables a and b, and we stored two and we gave two values 60 and 13 to the variable a and b, and we want to perform some operations on this variable. Then this bitwise operator will perform this operation on a bit level of 60 and 13. For example, 60's bit level value will be something 1010, and 13's bit level value will be something 1100. These are not actual bit level values. It is just for example. And then this operation will be performed on that bit. Then next type is a logical operator. So logical operators are used to evaluate the conditions. For example, and, or not. These are all logical operators. And checks all the condition, and all the conditions should be true, then output will be true. Or or checks one condition or all condition, and at least one condition should be true, then output will be true. And not checks for only negative condition. The next type of operator is the assignment operator. The assignment operator are used regularly as is equal to sign. These operator are used to assign some value to a variable. For example, we have a variable a. It is an int data type, and we want to store some value like 10 into this variable. Then we will use a assignment operator. We will write a is equal to int a is equal to 10. Then 10 value will be assigned to this operator. So other than is equal to, we can perform addition, multiplication, division using arithmetic operation in very easy step. For example, if we wrote a plus is equal to b, then it means a is equal to a plus b. If we wrote a divided by is equal to b, then it means a is equal to a divided by b. And by using this, it will be very easy to perform this operation. Other than these operators, there are more miscellaneous operators in Java. Thank you.